I don't throw away a pan when food starts sticking to it. A forgotten method restores it to its original state in just 10 minutes. No matter the type of pan, its coating, or thickness over time, every pan loses its non-stick layer. Even expensive models aren't fully resistant, though their protection lasts a bit longer. I used to give up on pans that started sticking until I discovered a simple method passed down for generations. Used by our mothers and grandmothers, this technique works for both classic cast iron pans and modern ones. First, thoroughly wash the pan with baking soda to remove grease. Then, dry it and heat it on the stove. Sprinkle salt evenly across the warm surface, creating a uniform layer. Heat the salt over low heat, stirring for about 20 minutes. After that, discard the salt, wash off any residue, and move on to the next step. Apply oil to the surface using a soaked napkin or paper towel to coat the pan. Then, heat the pan again and pour in a little oil, keeping it on the heat for 3 minutes. Finally, wipe off any excess oil with a paper towel. To test if the method worked, add some oil and fry an egg. If nothing sticks, the pan is good as new and ready to use again.